cotton. Bulk pack of shop towels is ideal for commercial use, restaurants, warehouses, offices, manufacturing facilities, labs, and more. These shop towels are a great alternative to paper towels. Wash, use, and reuse. Buy in bulk and save. These cloths are a super value and ideal as rags for many different uses. Made with recycled cotton fibers. Ideal for giving as a gift to your friends and loved ones. The Simpli-Magic Blue Shop Towels, 14 by 12, offer the perfect combination of softness and strength, ideal for use anywhere including home, household, cleaning, auto detailing, gym, even construction/painting. You can divide the pack up, placing some in the linen closet, the kitchen drawer, under the sink, or in your car. The shop towels measure approximately 14 by 12 inches each and make a useful addition to any home, office, automobile or construction site. Top reviews from the United States. Great lint-free towels. These towels are a staple at our house. We use them in the kitchen as towels for dishes both dry and wet. I have them stashed all over the house and my kids even wanted a stack to take back to their college apartments. Lol. Always wash up beautifully. Streak-free cleaning towels. Great for spills, absorbent. Lint-free cleaning on glass and other reflective surfaces. Until I found these, the only other place I could try to bribe a few off of was the car wash or a hospital. That was life before Amazon. Having said that, I am grateful to be able to purchase these in bulk and not to have to rely on the car wash or a hospital visit.